Welcome back on piptrendacademy.com. Today we will show you our complete suite to trade intraday. The name is Multispread Intraday and it is a very useful tool. You can get it from the menu on the first position, where you can have information about the useful indicator to use for intraday trading, main parameters, how to download it, and other specification, and some video made by our Italian team with Fabio. Now we need to understand how to trade with this instrument, and we have an online guide to you, and with a lot of example and specifications, and I will assure that you can read it all time you need. But for now, we will do an online and live trade to understand better how to work. For example, in this basket we will use euro dollar, DAX, dollar yen, gold, and SP 500. And as you can see, the price of multispread is very low, near the lowest price. So we can try to do a trade where we can buy and create profit from this basket if movement of this curve will go from down to top. Okay, in this case we have 5 instruments, but the signal is only on 3 instruments: euro dollar, DAX, and gold. So we will trade only that. Okay, in the parameters of this instrument we will remove DAX, SP 500, so we can insert simply a bad name, and in this way we will be able to trade in the correct way. So euro dollar buy, DAX buy, this not, gold in sell. We need just click to buy, to change from buy to sell, sell to buy. West yen nothing, so we go back on West yen and we will add a name, a route name. So again, buy, and sell, and we can open the basket. As you can see here, we have euro dollar, DAX, and gold in the same direction that you see here. Okay, and we need to wait the profit target, that in this case I have set it at 50 euro. Okay, this is very simple because we need now only wait prices from the low to the top. This is M13 time frame. We can see also H1 that is low, but maybe it need to stay here a lot of more time, and H4 daily, what you want. Of course, as wrote in our how to trade online guide, if more time frame are in the same direction is best, because the prices and the signal are more strong. Okay, for example, the first basket is this type of signal on M15. We have lower signals that I think it will be along very soon, M13 that is not in the low. H1 is going down, H4 is going up, and the daily is going down. So this is a very strange operation, but as you can see, it's in profit too, and it's not difficult to stay at market with this instrument. It's a very powerful instrument. I let you to use it to understand better how to work. After only some minutes after we have opened, positions are near the profit, near zero, and so we need only to wait it. I hope that you will go on piptrendacademy.com and you will visit the how to trade guideline, online guide, and for more information we are at your expectation. You can contact us on our social that you have here: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or you can join in our YouTube channel. Or if you want, you can contact us at info.piptrendacademy.com. I will give you my the mail is here in contact info. Okay, thank you for all and have a good day.